Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse video in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the CapCut application and then open any project, and then you need to go and find the video you wish to go and reverse. You may want to go and have just a certain part of the video in reverse. So let's say this is the video you want to add the reverse effect on. What you can do is you just have to simply select the video, and then you will see these options here, and then scroll it to the right side and you will see tap on this duplicate effect. Now you will see these two videos, these are the same videos. Now on the second video we are going to apply the reverse effect. So select the second video, again swipe it to the right side and you will see this option here, reverse. Just simply tap on this reverse effect, and as you can see it's applying this effect now. So you have to wait until it applied, and now our reverse effect is applied. So let's play this video. As you can see, this is the first one, and now as you can see this is the second one and it is reversed. As you can see, this person is going back in the room, as you can see, and that's how you can apply reverse effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.